Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 welding wire feeder motor. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is 120SNC1 PANA style double drive weld feeder. Specifications: brand name Jinslu, weight 4 kilograms, dimensions 27 cm x 25 cm x 16 cm, wire feeding speed 150 rpm min, model number 120SNC1, origin mainland China, is _customized, yes. Item number 4 is 120SN500, a single drive print motor. Specifications: brand name Jinslu, usage wire feeder, weight 3.6 kilograms, wire feeding speed 2.0-20 mtr min, model number 120SN500A, origin mainland China. As the item number 3, we've selected 76ZY02 AV MIG wire feeder motor. Specifications: brand name Jinslu, weight 3 kilograms, dimensions 30 by 25 by 25, wire feeding speed 2.0-24m/min, model number 76ZY02 AV, origin mainland China. Item number 2 is welding wire feeder. Specifications: brand name Taiwo Master, plug type EU plug, usage MIG/MAG welding wire feeding, weight about 2.99 kilograms, dimensions 210 by 150 by 120 millimeters, wire feeding speed 2-18m/min, model number SSJ15, wire feeder frame material YZLC10mg, motor rated voltage DC 24V, motor rated current 5A, certification CE, origin mainland China. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Rolls SSJ4C wire feed assembly feeder. Specifications: brand name Taiwo Master, model number SSJ4C, usage MIG/MAG welding wire feeding, weight about 1.6 kg net, dimensions 174 x 115 x 90 mm overall dimension, wire feeding speed 1.5-14 m/min, certification CE, origin mainland China, wire feeder frame material YZLC10mg, motor rated voltage DC 24V, motor rated current 3.5A.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.